Guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Is your girl Rejoice One TV. If today is your first time of coming across this my channel, please don't forget to subscribe, to comment below, turn off the notification bell so that anytime I upload the video you will be the first to be alerted. Guys, I upload every day on this channel. I bring out the latest gist, the latest things, what is happening on social media. I bring it here for us to watch. And I want to say a big thank you to my old subscribers and my new ones, and those that do support me. May the Lord Almighty bless you all for supporting me. I love you all. See you next on my next video. Bye bye.
Good morning, my people. A quick one, before they go work. Good morning. Yeah, I quickly do this one. They go work. On my way to work. Good morning, my people. Good morning, everybody. Good morning, everyone, my people. Good morning. Hi. This is just a quick one, So let me just share myself out because I'll be leaving here in 20 minutes time. 25 minutes time, I'll be leaving us. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. I'll be leaving us by 47, I'll leave us. How are we all doing? How was our night? How is our family? May I just share myself out? Bueno, got to Spanish people. Good morning, everybody. Good morning. Many people, they call me, they are like, they message me, they see you for line again, yes. I don't start work, I'm working. I don't start the work since December. In case you don't know, now the reason why we say they see me all the time, be that. So my people, before this message, I just want to rush it a little bit, okay? We all see what is written there. Now we cannot use ring light. They enter my eye. We will try to off the lights. Good once again. I want to like ring lights. They enter my eye. Yeah, I do like this. I want to support ring light. So my people, good morning. If you are coming, just help me to like and share this video, okay? In case today now the first time, I am Rosie. Yeah, I just say let me give this message to our sisters. Just see how I take it on there, and all of us we know what they happen for media since 1 week now. Okay, this message goes to our sister and our wife, Monica. Our sister in Germany called Rita. Our sister in Spain called Mommy Love. And one madam wey dey Nigeria, they call her prophetess, okay, prophetess Grace, okay. So now 4 of them, I want to give this message to, okay? Because this message, I don't want to make it long. I want to make it very short, a little bit short. And this message seems to be a question at the same time, okay? So the first thing, when I will first talk, we say, our sister Rita Ayemi, we see all that your parents went through. We see all happen. We'll see what happened. Fine. Me, I also joined the people to say that we are very sorry for that. It's quite a pity. Okay. So now be that one. What am I trying to say? This saga, when we say that the saga up and down, saga here, saga here, saga here. Why is it that our Edo people something they always dey different? People always like coming to say, Rosie, why is it that you always say Edo, Edo, Edo? You don't like your place. I like my place. I'm an Edo woman. Now, with the Edos start to carry juju enter social media. Edos, now they start to use carry police enter social media. Just because of what they use mouth tell each other. Juju, you don't enter social media. Now police, you don't enter social media. Waiting me come ask you now. Now my question is this: what are people learning from you guys? Waiting people they learn from their hands. Me no. Because anybody, I will be starting from our sister Rita. Sister Rita, what are people learning from you? Hook up when they do before you don't throw away hook up. Even when you do the hook up, you throw mat. Nothing that people are learning from you. Now she start to the carry police center social media. Trouble everywhere. Rita, my sister Rita, you might not know this because you and Ijore una get the same character. You happen to be somebody when it be say you know they take correction. Everything when you just talk, now be the best. Now be the best. The one when you just talk, now just be the best. Anything when you do, that is how it should be done. You don't want to care about others. When people try to correct you, you are like, they are looking for your attention. They are seeking my attention. I don't want to give attention to those people. They want to use me to get view. But you are forgetting that now other people, you take get your view. You understand me? Yes, she dey talk to everybody. You know, so she said, come find me. Now my here a day, Rita mock me. She mocked me several times before I come out for her. Now food that they cook, I don't hear her. My sister, you don't have anything to show people. Are you not ashamed? What really shows that? Good morning everybody. Good morning. In case I'm not reading your comments, no verse because I just did like rush. I want to enter 9:50 something bus. I want to reach work 10:15. I want to reach work. Okay, you understand? So I just want to talk. Now be this, my sister. You seek for people's attention first. You bully people in a way that you yourself maybe you don't know. You understand? It's not good, my sister. Let be that person that people can learn from. Your platform, what are you using it for? To do nonsense? You have enough people, a lot of people, thousands of. The day when I talk to you, you say you sure you cannot come and say you get 60,000 followers. Now you should be having only up to 100,000. You have 2 pages. 2 pages have been monetized. Fine. You have thousands of people following you in your 2 pages. What are you using your platform for? It matters a lot, my sister. It matters a lot. Look for something to teach people, my sister, Rita. Now all of you, I want to talk to, not only you. You just as your own, it seems to be rare, so different. What did they use your platform for? What are you using your platform for, my sister? You might not really believe this. You first start to define trouble. Everybody know how to take come out. You pretend to be fighting for your sister. At the end of the day, you carry Monica for ground. You beat Monica for 2 good years. I know say not be say Monica still good on you, no. I'm here to say it the way it is. You beat Monica for years. You use Monica to build your page. Even though person mention your name now, they pay you. When I watched your video a few days ago, I was just laughing. The day when they said pay your mama richards, I'm really so sorry for that. To the extent your mother, they have to go and harass your mama for station. Your mama when the day you for Benin, have to carry your mama go station. Your papa have to follow your mama go station. Your brothers and sisters have to follow your mama go station for waiting. Yeah, for what? Yeah. Now if you carry police, they catch people. If now you still go arrest mommy love mama now, or another person bullies you, you go arrest a person for us. If now you play the role when mommy love play, but for you it go seem normal. You can see, you don't allow people to harass your mother for nothing, only the name of nonsense. You are the one when you go to say, I said the video we do a few days ago. It now even still on the saga ground, it still they pay you, say mommy love, one use you, get view. You the talk, you were not with yourself. And I know say, nah, people will be watching her. She just want to get, if she still get you, maybe 2 days. If you get you for 2 days, anyway, she will, after 2 days, she will go back to her gutter. Which gutter I want to get back to? My sister Rita. For you, now only you want to get all the view for social media. You know, good. The view when you get now, you monetize 2 page. Your YouTube have been monetized. You dey work, you receive your salary. Come 100,000 naira. Your family mamiri latin. 4 people. But now you by yourself tell us say your brothers and your sisters follow your parents go police station. Your papa not see 100,000 bring come out. Your mama not see 100,000 bring come out. Your brother not see 100,000 bring come out. Your sisters not see out of 4 people. Be how many your family for house. A whole family 100,000 not fit come out inside. Now the war pass for social media. It's of what use? What am I trying to tell you? Not be by devil, not be by doing. It's of what use? Money they get for trouble, you see they spend for trouble. Common 100,000, my sister. 100,000 is 165 euro. You know, see drink come out. Family no see drink come out. Money is supposed to take do better thing. They use how they do human hair competition for social media. Human hair competition for social media. You have nothing to show people. Nothing people can learn from you. Nothing. It's of what use? You get many views. Your page don't monetize. Money when they get inside, they stay your hand. It's of what use? Eh? So you when it be mommy love when it dey. You be they teach people something before. What are you teaching people, my sister? Because your platform also, my sister, you are not using it to teach people anything, only for trouble. Sometimes before mommy love, you go come out, you go sell your tea, you go come out, you go teach people how to do soap. When you teach people how to do soap, I was watching you that time. I was still from there when they carry something come out and say you want to teach people how to do soap, you want to teach people how to do this, you were doing it before. What makes you believe say na saga you want to build your page? Even though when you be say you carry matter when you not be your own, mommy love now you are the talk to now. You carry matter when you say not be your own, you want to analyze issue, you they saw them put. Now so they take the build page. Not be so they take the build page. Not be so that they do bring out something that you can teach people. Not be only not if just open yes. You know if you just open platform, just like they insult. Now they bring insult to Edo. As many hundreds of thousands following Rita. Rita, you go sit down. People when they watch you, you always there to the same nonsense. When you carry Kate, mama come out, insult that woman every day by day. Me, Betty say your mama, you insult Kate more than call am okpo, call am many things. Every day now they call am come and say if they use a mat, they open condom. Every day. You still came out here 2 weeks ago say since you beat Kate mama, now they monetize. Now only once you beat Kate mama, now you monetize your second page. I wish you know if I don't they beat and since. But all this one's my sister. Nobody come and come challenge you say, no, they beat that woman, mama. No, they insult her. Nobody tell you. Because they will never tell you the truth. Eh? I'm not happy say they whenever they just tell you who were your Zangie parents were, you are just bringing insult to your people. You know, good. Change, my sister. Your platform, use them for better thing. Show that you, not only you are the turtle, show that you can do something. It's so painful that the only person that was using her platform to teach people something happened to be Monica and Lolo, no matter what. Monica, is quite a pity that you lose your throne to Rita. Just the way Saul lose his throne to David. Yes. You, when it be Monica, also, when you still there inside. Now the saga don't reach your place. The saga now don't still reach your territory. Now, you don't be say you carry Rita, her papa leg come out. Say me they can't see and say papa leg be. Monica, is quite a pity because anyway, I don't know as I will tell to you. The truth I will tell you. I'm not trying to belongs to you, belongs to your gang. When you started well. Until you start bringing people out, collecting money to they bring people secrets out, collecting money to they lie against people. Look at. Rita cannot even still learn from your mistake. No. All of now when you bring people down for social media, look now what you na life. Come 100,000. If they tell you say Rita cannot boast of 100,000. Even your husband not see 100,000 brick come out. This is somebody when he come live for una that day say he buy 2 cars. This is somebody when he come live for una. He reach her boyfriend, I be baby father not see 100,000 brick. Now here that day when he talk say na woman wey dey Canada na send 100,000 to people account. When he parents first me bring the 100,000 as first argument, if papa no get for account, if mama no get. I'm not trying to say my parents get to. I always they talk and say we are not rich. If your family cannot boast of 100,000 for Nigeria, you in Germany, you don't get 100,000. 160 something euro, you don't reach 170. Because 200,000 is 200 euro is 120. Una not get. Una not open a leg for when una leg rich. It's about you being popular without 1 euro in the pocket. Popularity without nothing. So now I want to just tell you, Monica, you when you there, they pay me for you. Say, because when you were raining, you go beat big one, you go beat small one. You go beat who near you. They pay me for you, Monica. The other day you see the thought say, me I not let you enter my house. So that me I not let you enter my page. No problem. When Lily they talk about me, you commented that any blogger when he carry my video again, you go carry my video, you go report the blogger. Why you not go report them? You can report them. Me when you not get view. Look at your life you are living and look at my life. So what am I just trying to tell you? If you be upcoming bloggers, upcoming presenters, you say when you they make wow, now you want to do your page, don't do more. Don't do it. Okay? Don't do it. Because I don't want to build my page in a saga way with problem. I don't want to build my page finish. I will they hide they go. Or I go to spend the money, when the money go to come, I will spend that for problem. No, I don't need it. Now, 50 something they watch me. If na normal video they do now, sometimes na only 5, 6, sometimes 3, now they watch me. So now, the way when I take build on a page, not be say we not feel use, I not feel use and build my own, or many people not feel use and build. Now because now I dey talk about you now, 95, 50 something they here. If na normal video they do just now, highest 10, 12, sometimes 5, now you go to watch. Why? Because I don't want to build my house on top of sand according to Bible. I want to build my house on top of a rock, so that even when rain fall, wind come, you no go fall. Okay? So now be that. It's of what use. Look at Ijore. That is desperation to be known. I want to be popular. I want to be popular. Now make Ijore. When Niger Watch play audio, we'll see it. Ijore, good morning, my people. Ijore was looking for popularity by all means. I want to be popular. I want to be known. Now make her go carry her own land take popular for Facebook. It usually was popular by everybody was who be that person when he throw mouth go when he talk what he not supposed to talk. That is how he usually got her popularity. Now popularity don't come for her. Is she happy? He usually cannot come out walk in the street of France. She cannot come out and waka. Is that life? She dey hide, they go. Popularity, you dey look for popularity. Now, Ijole cannot buy tickets and travel to her own land. She no want do. She no fit go because of what? She was looking for popularity. She was looking for money. Money don't come now. She cannot spend her money. She cannot spend her money in peace. That one a life. That will not be life. And my sister, our mama, when we did Nigeria, our prophet, my belly don't go down. Our prophet, when we did Nigeria, I say make I tell you, we never see. You are the first prophet when we say they do saga for Facebook. Madam, if you still come across this video, no verse. Now let you be a prophet, me they do saga. Now so if you do Mama Ehichoya, that's our sister when you did Holland. You carry no matter the problem. You carry Mama Ehichoya, Madam Ehichoya, lovely, Madam Lovely. You carry her papa house. You do well, Madam. You say you be woman of God, oh. A woman of God that can pretend to go and visit somebody. You pretend to make Mama that is Mama Ehichoya papa believe say na help you can't help her. You want help her, renovate house. The man really they talk. You go that Madam, I cannot say you went low. No, if I say that na insult. You went that extent asking that man about he picking when he there abroad. The man can't really they talk because we all know how parents talk. Believing that you will really do all that you promise him after you went and released the video on Facebook. Madam, which kind of woman of God you be? Woman, not a doer. But what will you preach to your members, Madam? What will you preach to your members? You do it for Ehichoya, Madam Ehichoya, lovely Ehichoya. You do it for that one, Papa. The same attitude now this woman still do to Rita family. Meaning, this prophetess Grace she did special. You have experience with anything that have to do with assassin. These are the assassin people work. You are very perfect in it. How to look for people underground, how to look for people this, how to look for that, how to look for this. If not this thing when you do to Rita parents, I know say what Rita do no good though. The strategy when you not use, if na Europe, na bad thing, maybe that. You know, good Madam. What are you preaching as a woman of God? How will you make people's heart like that? You know, good. And mommy love. Before you go send your pastor to such errand, what were you thinking? What did they think? My sister. You know, good though. And I don't say, we don't there for this social media. Not only with the Edo day, not only with the Edos. We are not the only ones only they here. When they watch, So, my sister Rita, now you I really want to talk to. I'm just not for now. My message really 60%, 40, I'll be 50% now for you. Now the other 50%, now I share for the others. I can read this message. I'll read this comment later. Okay, Sister Rita, your own is really too much. You might not know because we are with your character, Rita. This is your character that you display on social media. Not the character when you come across in Europe. This is how you were brought up. With your character, it now shows that your character will shows the kind of family you brought us from, you brought up from. Okay, now be that. Because my people, me now this time I want eat, I want drink what you call before I go. Papaya, pawpaw. Now I want blend. Okay. So my sister Rita, now what I want to tell you, now you that one. It's of no use. Every day we dey tell me. Go dey find trouble finish. Now that you go put your mama for wahala. You put your mama for wahala finish. Now all those one go station. And with the character when you dey display, my sister Rita, e show say your parents no fit talk to you. Now you dey control them. Because some parents dey when e be some people dey believe say when e be say na dem dey help their family no they no fit talk to them. My people, don't be surprised say with the character when this girl Rita dey perform on live video, don't be surprised no parents go leave the pikin make their pikin dey do like that. Don't be surprised say if papa and mama go even talk to her, she no go hear. Because this kind of person go tell your parents say if you not talk again, no bring money for me. So now be that, my dear, carry on. Because Emma, and you are the only person also, you also claim victim that you always do say that they are looking for me. Me, I not hear you. With my own, I can understand others. You carry Kate, parents, Kate, children bed come out that day, they mock Kate. Yeah? Carry Kate, this thing come out, they mock Kate. And your own, you never show your children, one day. Now so Kate no fit do this, now so Kate no fit do that. Yeah? Not good. You're not good, eh? Because you always claim to be the victim. You always claim to be a victim. Make una change, oh. And our wife, when today, Monica, and they tell you, your own when you did this scandal of a thing. I know say now this thing. Now this one say I want play audio. I want play life history. Now secret. You see, many problem are not this. That's what they do. Now you want to start your pay show again. Now you want that is our wife me they talk to now Monica. Now you want play audio. You want that is a pay show. You now don't start pay show again. You start don't start pay show. So they use people's secrets. They make money on social media. You know, see the reason why people now they enjoy the money. Now be that. My people now what I put so that you know say I beg constipate. And if you want drink pawpaw, I dey talk am o. Na no, I dey always talk am. If you eat pawpaw, you make sure say throughout that day you no drink Coca-Cola. You no good o. Na e dey poisonous. I don't fit do the video, okay? Pawpaw and Coca-Cola they don't relate together. Any day when you say you drink pawpaw, you eat pawpaw, not drink Coca-Cola throughout that day. You no good. It's poisonous. Pay show is loading. This one pay show is loading. The other one pay show is loading. Why conscience? Now no get conscience. Now no get conscience. You not get conscience, my sisters. Why conscience? Very wicked attitude. Now you make all of them. They talk to Benin people anyhow. Say Edo people. What this one? Edo people. Edo people not get respect again. Edo people even respect. What a nonsense. When I come, pay show is loading. Pay show to come to say, if papa not come get money. Ask me, my papa not get money before he die. But they feed. They feed. I was never born from a home where you say a golden spoon will take the eat. Now she find trouble. But she will stay here now. Say you say now she find trouble. She will like, they are looking for my attention. She is seeking for who is looking for your attention, my sister? Nobody is looking for your attention. No, see attention who went error. The other day you come out, come give fake news, say you want to do marriage. A marriage was so turning. You make everybody believe, say maybe your marriage don't reach ground, now make fairly good, they jealous you. Where the marriage now, you not do. My marriage. The same bad fake news. No, you de kudi de yokerena. Give lock away. Emma. The only thing when I bring come out, not just be the one others bring come out, talk that you have right to analyze other people's issues. No one have to. Okay, my WhatsApp number. They will know if you talk now because I dey go work. I dey come here. Okay, I don't really put my number. Now, Papa, I dey drink, eh? Papa's not. I need to go. My WhatsApp did there, so my WhatsApp number did there. I will leave us 93 before 5 minutes. I'll leave us. Attending. Pardon. No. Oh fuck. My number might be this. Might be this one. Fake life everywhere, my dear. Fake life. It come out that to say, marriage makes so turning. It make people believe say he want to do marriage, then make his sister the jealous. Anyway, whatever happened between you and your sister, not my problem. You understand? But my sister later change from your way. It's not good. Okay? You're not good. You might not know this. You might not know. You're not good. And my number be this. You can call me late. I will come in the evening. In the evening, I will talk to us. We have many things to talk to us about. To talk about in the evening. So now be that one. If you be that person, you are having such attitude, you're not good. I'm not going to drink this to finish. Now your first time, try to follow this page. Try and follow this page. It's time we start like trying to correct ourselves and say people with the adults and say people. Why get you get do Emma? Bueno, so my wonderful people, thank you. So if you now, my sisters, if you now come across this video, this is just it. Me, I don't get time to take the like Benny issues. I don't get time to take the Ben issues. Now the truth, now I just want to tell now. So make sure they use a platform, take they teach people something. With the adults, we are tired of nonsense. We are tired of rubbish. Fake life everywhere. Come on, 100,000. But my mirror Latin. Why one? For it to look real, but all is nothing but fake. So in the evening, my people, I go talk to us in the evening. I will talk to us in the evening, and not only that, if I did work, if I get time, you know, say I'm always busy. Supposed to enter work, start work by 10:15. Yeah, I'll feel make around 10:15. Now to reach there. So that 20 minutes time, 25 minutes time they work. So if I'm when I'm less busy, I will talk to us about, I'll show us some product. If you dey here, you want to start social media, try not to use trouble starter. Maybe somebody talk to you, you want to reply to the person, that one is quite different. Or you are that person that they send you, make they bring people page down. No, not do. Emma, you know good. You know good, eh? Not good. All of us don't see her now. If that person is quite a pity, when it's quite a pity, say whether they teach people something, people know they go there. If they visit social media, they watch things. Now that is the reason why we say, even till now, when it be say world don't open, many people will still they fall victim. Where they go, they teach people say, don't do this, so do that, so people not go like to watch. Now you not go find such a platform as a boring platform. Yes, it's quite understanding, but still think am, my sister, think am, my brother, think am. A platform, people that will just sit down, just they talk. I will have a bono, but I tell and they like to rush food. I not wake up today. I woke up around 7. Let me come. So my wonderful people, I will see us. If I have time for work, I'll make video. If not, we will meet in the evening by God's grace. Thank you very much. If today is your first time, try to like and follow this page. Take a look at my other previous video. God bless you. I will read all your comments. I will read in a comment. I've been my taking what is my earpiece? I come. No, they go for road. When I go to take bus. I come. What's say? Come out. Voilà. A second floor, like. Second floor. May I come down? Bueno, here we are. Maria mask. Che. That's it, huh? I forget my mask. I dey come. I forget my mask. Stand it. My mask. Rosie, where is son? So when the mask is I don't take her. Go. And network now be so I know over now. reason why this say I only feel they do video. Now be this bueno. Everything is fine. I got a bus. Sorry. So now be that, my people. If you be that person, when it be say maybe you have something to show people for social media, okay, try by all means, by minding the way when it be say the way you take comment, it matters a lot. You see my color here. Now my color with this. The way you take comment, it matters a lot. Only one and two. On here when they get right, I don't say I don't get here. Code just see the enter. Now you will make me quick loser. What you gonna make me quick loser? And every damn so. So my people, if now you be that person, try by all means by making sure say you, how will I say it? The way you take comment, it matters a lot. The way you take comment matters a lot. What you are doing in your platform matters a lot. What people are learning from you, it matters a lot as well, okay? So it's very important. Very, very important, more than important. Those when you want. Now, so thank you very much, my darling. All of them don't comment, I'll read them later. If now you they try to come to social media, come. Many people they call me, they will like, Mama, I would like to come. I'll tell them, say, come. If I say my boss goes to come. People they I'll tell them, say, come. Oh. But not patient, you know. My boss goes to come. People don't already. They for I will get comments. I don't want to lose. I don't want to miss out. But if I miss out, 30 minutes. I'll wait extra 30 minutes. The reason why you're not seeing me for social media, you know, it's you. Big spot. So now be that. If you want to come, you feel come. What do they do? It matters a lot. Eh? Small one when I run. See the way they breathe. See the way they breathe. So it matters a lot, eh? So as my face swell up. And they eat without control. She said that you just they come now. Stop it. Who be that? Say she said that you just they come now. Stop it. I don't know if they thought to. Then the other one said, who called Monica for? No, not the cousin. Not cousin. No. That is Nenemi enter house. No, not me. I not agree. Maybe that they cause people for my platform. No, not the cause. That thing also, I mean, not like, call people for platform. They insult the person, or call people for platform. They, you know, no. not dey cause them or dey insult person for comment section. E no good. Now those bad name now. Now, what am I trying to say? Now those bad name, all those things, now it provoke many people. So because as me dey here, so waiting I think say, you know go, waiting me not believe. Waiting me not believe say he go vex you, if he vex you. You understand? Waiting me not believe say he go vex you, if he vex you. That's why I be say before I talk to him, I say anything, I go find out. 2 times let me don't come out here for social media. Tell people say I did very sorry. You understand me? Sorry. That's the way who need that be here. A dirty woman. She has just the blow nose. I dey blow my nose. So I will use mask cover. You understand? So now you be that one. If now you be that person, try. Well, my boss don't come. My boss don't come. I don't know whether I get change. Here, they're not the big person change. But people, I'll come back. People food inside bus. Me, I not go to show who are not supposed to show.
Cause I never wanna play happy families with you, but I like having you around. I'm fully aware